Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel and welcome to my first video. So for today's look, I decided to recreate this look I had originally posted on Instagram not too long ago. So in case if you guys want to recreate this look, further ado, just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows and I also did one eye, so this is the outcome of the look. And the palette we're going to be using today is the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard of it or probably even have it. And I'm going to be starting off with these two colors. It's going to be the mustardy color and also the color next to it. So the main colors we're going to be using are this color, and this color. So pretty much like the reddish, brownish colors. Those are the three that we're going to be using throughout the whole look. And the lid color will be this one. Then with the same brush, which I'm pretty sure I didn't mention, it's the Morphe M441 brush. Just blend it. And you really don't need that much product, just because a little bit goes a long way and it like builds up pretty easily. I'm just gonna take that and blend it out. So once you blended everything, I'm gonna go back with the Morphe brush. I'm gonna be taking that same color and just mainly focus it in the outer corner. So once we're done with that, I'm gonna be cutting the crease. So this is a pencil I'll be using. It's a rose gold brush, and this one I actually purchased it at Walmart, and it's the brand Flower. Once we're done cutting the crease, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set the lid and not really set the outer part, just because we're right now gonna blend it and add more color to it. So now that I cut the crease and set the lid, we're gonna go back with that color, this one right here, the outer part, and go halfway your crease, so like right here. And to blend it, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild brush. So that'll be the brush I'll be using for the blending. I'm going to be using the Stila. It's called the Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the color Diamond Dust. I'm gonna be blending the outer parts of the glitter just so that way it doesn't look so harsh and it doesn't look like it's just there. So I'm gonna be blending it. Okay, now that it's blended, it dries pretty quick. I'm gonna go back and apply more just in the very center, just a little bit. You see how pretty it looks? It looks so like pretty, and it gives like that wet glow. It's really pretty. And if you want to blend it a little bit, you can. So yeah, that looks pretty good. So pretty much we're done with the eye. Now it's lashes, which these lashes that I have on are one of my favorite. If you guys have not tried these lashes, they're honestly so affordable, so amazing. The quality is just really, really good. Which they look like this, and I'm pretty sure you guys have definitely seen them. I purchased these in my beauty supply store. So I went to Jenny's beauty supply store and they had them. I was just in love. I love these lashes. They're just amazing. So you guys definitely need to go to your local beauty supply store and get yourself a pair. So now that I'm done with my eyes, to prep my skin, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and I'm going to be applying this on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and like on this area right here. Let that sit into our skin. I'm gonna be going with some of my favorite rose water, which is the BADESCU rose water, and this is just so amazing. I'm gonna be using this to prime my face and also to set my face. So now that the rose water is set into my skin, I'm gonna be using two foundations. I'm going to be using the Milani Concealer and Perfect 2-in-1, and I'm in the shade Sand Beige, and also the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I'm also in the shade 300. So I'm going to be mixing these two foundations. I'll be using the Milani one first, and I normally just pump it straight into my face. You can apply it with like a brush or something, but this is just how I normally do it. And then I'll be applying the Fenty one. I normally go with 2 pumps. And then we're just going to blend the 2 colors together and then work it out. Done with my foundation, I'm concealing now. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the colors light medium and medium. And then on top of the medium, I'll just do like a dot of light medium. And then I'll be blending this all with my beauty blender. face, I'm going to be setting my skin with some La Mercier powder. I go all over my skin, and I prefer to press the powder into my skin. That way it melts into your skin and your makeup will last way longer than if you were to bake. But I personally don't like to bake too much, just because it tends to make your skin like really dry and kind of cakey, so that's why I tried avoiding that. So yeah, I'll just be pressing it into the skin and then apply a little bit more. So now that I'm done setting my face, I went ahead and put bottom eyeshadow on my lower lash line and mascara, and I also put some highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. For the highlighter, I use the ColourPop highlighter in the color Flexitarian. It looks like this. I mix those two colors both together on the bottom lower lash line and just use the mascara. I use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. So to bronze my face, I'll be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and also a Morphe R10 brush, and also a Morphe M527 to pretty much blend out the bronzer. So I'll just be putting this on my cheekbones, on my forehead. So now that we're done bronzing our face, I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Blush in the color Luminoso. It gives your skin like a really pretty glowy, it's like a healthy glow. So I'm just going to be applying rose water to melt all the products into my face. So now to highlight, I'll be using the MAC Oh Darling highlighter, and for brush, I'll be using the Real Techniques setting brush.
It was written in the stars. We can't be torn apart. We are linked together.
I'll be using the lipsticks from the Desi and Katie collection. So this is how the lip color looks. I'm pretty sure in camera it's gonna pick up differently than in person. So this is the end result of the look. I hope you guys loved it as much as I loved making this video for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button down below to be notified with my latest videos. I'll see you guys next time.